What I'm about to say may go against everything you've been told about aging as a man, but weak erections after 60 are not normal, and they are not inevitable. In fact, many men lose their confidence, their intimacy, and that deep sense of masculinity not because they're getting older, but because something in their daily routine is quietly shutting their body down. And the most dangerous part is, it doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels like something healthy. If you're a man over 60, you need to hear this. The fruit you eat for breakfast, the one you trust, the one you've believed was good for your heart and your body, could be slowly destroying your blood flow, lowering your testosterone, and weakening your ability to perform, day after day, without warning. You wake up thinking you're doing the right thing, but inside your body, your hormones are slipping, your circulation is tightening, and your confidence is fading. My name is Dr. James, a urologist with over 30 years of experience helping men restore their prostate health, hormone balance, and sexual function. And I can tell you this with certainty, this is not the end of your vitality. In many cases, it can be reversed, starting with one simple shift in your morning routine. In this video, I'm going to reveal the hidden truth behind what's really happening inside your body and how to take back control. Let's begin with the first fruit, one that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. 1. Bananas, especially overripe. Let's start with something simple, something almost every man over 60 has eaten without a second thought. A banana in the morning. It feels clean, easy, even healthy. But here's the truth. When that banana is overripe, soft, and spotted, it becomes a fast-acting sugar bomb the moment it hits your system. When you eat it on an empty stomach, your blood sugar rises quickly. Your body responds by releasing insulin. And that insulin doesn't just regulate sugar. It quietly suppresses testosterone and interferes with nitric oxide, the very compound that allows blood vessels to relax and fill properly. Without enough nitric oxide, blood flow to the penis becomes weaker, slower, less reliable. And over time, this creates a pattern. You wake up, but your body doesn't respond the way it used to. Erections feel softer, harder to maintain. Desire begins to fade. Some men even notice more frequent urination at night as hormonal balance shifts and prostate irritation increases. I remember a patient named Richard, 68 years old. He came to me frustrated, almost embarrassed. He said, "Doctor, I feel like I'm losing a part of myself." Every morning, the same routine, banana with oatmeal. He believed he was doing everything right. But once we removed that single habit and added protein to stabilize his blood sugar, something changed. Within a few weeks, his morning erections started to return. Not perfectly, not instantly, but enough to give him hope again. And that's what I want you to understand. This is not just aging. Your body is responding to what you give it every morning. If you enjoy bananas, don't eat them alone and never on an empty stomach. Pair them with protein or move them later in the day. It's a small shift, but it can make a real difference. Now, if you think this one fruit was surprising, wait until you hear about the next. It's smaller, sweeter, and even more dangerous when eaten the wrong way. 2. Grapes. Now let's talk about something even more deceptive, because it looks light, harmless, almost innocent. Grapes. Small, refreshing, easy to eat by the handful, but that's exactly where the problem begins. When you eat grapes first thing in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, they hit your bloodstream almost instantly. They're packed with natural sugars, but without enough fiber to slow things down. So your blood sugar rises fast, and your body reacts just as fast, releasing insulin to bring it back under control. But here's what most men don't realize. That insulin surge doesn't just affect sugar. It tightens your blood vessels and suppresses testosterone, two things your body depends on for strong, reliable erections. Over time, this creates subtle but real changes. You may notice your erections aren't as firm. They don't last as long. Your desire feels lower. You wake up feeling tired instead of energized. And for many men, there's another sign they ignore. Waking up at night more often to urinate, as the prostate becomes more sensitive under hormonal stress. I had a patient, Daniel, 71, quiet man, didn't complain much, but when he finally spoke, he said something I'll never forget. "I don't feel like a man anymore." Every morning, He would snack on grapes, thinking it was a healthy start. No heavy food, no fat, just fruit, but his body was paying the price. We didn't add anything complicated. We simply changed the timing. No grapes in the morning, protein first. Within a few weeks, his energy stabilized. His confidence slowly came back. So let me reassure you, this is not permanent. Your body can recover when you remove the pressure you're placing on it every morning. If you enjoy grapes, have them later in the day, after a proper meal, never as your first fuel. And what I'm about to share next might shock you even more. Because it's not something you eat with a spoon, it's something you drink every single morning, believing it's one of the healthiest choices you can make. 3. Orange juice. Now here's the one that surprises almost everyone, because for decades, you've been told it's one of the healthiest ways to start your day. A glass of orange juice. It looks fresh, clean, full of vitamins, but what it really is sugar without protection. When you drink orange juice on an empty stomach, there's no fiber to slow it down, no fat, no protein. It enters your bloodstream almost instantly. Your blood sugar spikes fast, and your body responds with a surge of insulin. And just like we've discussed before, that insulin doesn't just manage sugar, it suppresses testosterone and reduces nitric oxide. That means your blood vessels don't open the way they should. Blood flow becomes restricted. And without proper blood flow, strong erections simply don't happen. This is where many men begin to notice changes they can't explain. Erections that don't last. Less sensitivity, a drop in desire. Energy that rises quickly in the morning, then crashes before noon. Some even notice more nighttime urination as the body struggles with hormonal imbalance and subtle prostate irritation. I remember a patient named Harold, 70 years old. Every morning, like clockwork, a full glass of orange juice with breakfast. He told me, I thought I was doing something good for my heart. But he came in exhausted, frustrated, avoiding intimacy because he didn't trust his body anymore. We made one simple change. We removed the juice and replaced it with water and a protein-based breakfast. Within weeks, his energy leveled out, and slowly, his confidence began to return. So let me say this clearly. This is not about giving up everything you enjoy. It's about timing and balance. If you want citrus, eat the whole fruit, and never on an empty stomach. Give your body something stable first. And what I'm about to show you next is even more confusing, because this fruit is often praised for improving blood flow. Yet when used the wrong way, it can quietly do the opposite. 4. Watermelon, when eaten the wrong way. Now this one confuses a lot of men, because watermelon has been praised for years as a natural enhancer for blood flow. And yes, it contains compounds that can support circulation. But here's the part no one tells you. When you eat it the wrong way, especially first thing in the morning, it can quietly cancel out those benefits. Watermelon is mostly water, but it also carries a high glycemic load. That means when you eat a large portion on an empty stomach, your blood sugar rises quickly. Your body responds with insulin, and once again, that insulin interferes with nitric oxide and reduces testosterone. Instead of opening your blood vessels, your body begins to tighten them. Blood flow becomes less efficient, and over time, your erections become less reliable. This doesn't happen overnight, it's subtle. You may notice you feel full for a short time, then hungry again. Your energy dips mid-morning. Your body feels slower to respond during intimacy. Some men even report more frequent urination, as blood sugar instability begins to affect prostate comfort and sleep patterns. I remember a patient named Luis, 66. He told me he started eating watermelon every morning because he heard it was good for performance. But after a few months, he felt worse. Less energy, less confidence. He couldn't understand why something so healthy was working against him. We didn't eliminate it completely. We simply changed when he ate it. Smaller portions. After lunch, never in the morning. Within weeks, his energy stabilized. And his body began to respond again. So let me reassure you, watermelon itself is not the enemy. The timing is. Your body after 60 handles sugar very differently. Give it the wrong signal early in the day, and it affects everything that follows. And what I'm about to show you next is even more dangerous, because it feels indulgent, comforting, and for many men, it's part of a daily ritual they never question. 5. Mango. Now let's talk about a fruit that many men don't just eat, they enjoy it. Mango. Sweet, rich, comforting. For some, it's even emotional, something that reminds them of younger days. But here's what most men over 60 don't realize. Mango may be quietly working against your hormones in ways you can't feel right away. The issue here is fructose. Mango is very high in it, and unlike other sugars, fructose is processed directly in the liver. As we age, the liver becomes less efficient. So when you eat mango first thing in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, that fructose overload can start to build fat in the liver. And here's why that matters. A stressed liver struggles to regulate hormones properly, especially testosterone. When testosterone begins to drop, the effects are not just physical, they're deeply personal. Erections become weaker. Desire fades. Energy drops. You may feel less motivated, less engaged, even less confident in intimate moments. Some men also notice increased belly fat and more frequent nighttime urination, both signs that hormone balance is shifting and the prostate is under more stress. I remember a patient named George, 73. He loved mango, ate it every morning without fail, but over time, he began to withdraw from intimacy. He told me quietly, "I don't feel like myself anymore." We didn't take mango away completely, we simply moved it out of his morning routine and reduced the portion. That was enough. Within weeks, his energy improved. And slowly, so did his confidence. So let me reassure you, this is not about restriction, it's about understanding how your body has changed. If you enjoy mango, treat it like a dessert. Small portions, after a proper meal, never on an empty stomach. And what I'm about to share next may surprise you even more, because it's often marketed as refreshing, cleansing, even healing, yet it may be putting silent pressure on your body every single morning. 6. Pineapple. Now here's one that feels refreshing, almost cleansing. Pineapple. Bright, juicy, and often seen as something that supports digestion and vitality. But for many men over 60, eating pineapple the wrong way, especially first thing in the morning, can quietly disrupt the very systems you're trying to protect. The issue is simple. Pineapple is very high in natural sugar, and it doesn't come with enough fiber to slow things down. So when you eat it on an empty stomach, your blood sugar rises quickly. Your body releases insulin to manage that spike. And as we've been seeing, that insulin surge doesn't just affect sugar. It interferes with nitric oxide and lowers testosterone. Blood vessels don't open the way they should. Circulation becomes restricted, and over time, that affects your ability to get and maintain a strong erection. But there's more. Frequent sugar spikes also increase low-grade inflammation in the body, and for men over 60, that inflammation can irritate the prostate. You may notice subtle signs, waking up more often at night to urinate, a sense of pressure, disrupted sleep. And when sleep suffers, testosterone drops even further. It becomes a cycle that feeds itself. I had a patient, Thomas, 69. He believed pineapple was helping his digestion, so he made it a daily morning habit. But he came to me exhausted, waking up 3, sometimes 4 times a night. His confidence had taken a hit. He avoided intimacy because he didn't trust his body anymore. We made one change. No pineapple in the morning, balanced meals instead. Within a few weeks, his sleep improved, and with it, his energy and performance slowly returned. So let me reassure you, your body is not failing, it's reacting. If you enjoy pineapple, have it later in the day, after a proper meal, never as your first fuel. And what I'm about to show you next is perhaps the most misleading of all, because it doesn't even look like a problem. In fact, most men believe it's one of the healthiest snacks they can eat. 7. Dried fruits. Raisins, dates, apricots. Now we come to the most deceptive one of all, because it doesn't look dangerous. In fact, most men believe it's one of the healthiest choices they can make. Dried fruits. Raisins, dates, apricots. Small, natural, easy to snack on. But here's the truth. Once the water is removed, what you're left with is concentrated sugar that hits your body fast and hard. When you eat dried fruit in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, your blood sugar spikes almost immediately. There's very little fiber left to slow it down. Your body reacts with a surge of insulin, and by now, you understand what that means. Reduced testosterone, disrupted nitric oxide, and tightening of blood vessels. Blood flow becomes weaker, erections become less reliable, and over time, your body starts to feel like it's working against you. The symptoms often creep in quietly. You may notice you're not as firm as before. It takes longer to respond. Your desire feels lower. Energy becomes unstable. And many men begin waking up more often at night as blood sugar imbalance and inflammation start affecting prostate comfort and sleep. I remember a patient named Edward, 75. He carried a small container of raisins everywhere, said it was his healthy habit. But he came to me discouraged, avoiding intimacy because he felt embarrassed. He thought it was just age. But when we looked closer, his mornings were overloaded with sugar from dried fruit. We didn't make drastic changes. We simply removed that habit from his morning routine and added real, balanced food. Within a month, his energy improved, and more importantly, his confidence began to return. So let me reassure you, this is not permanent. Your body can recover when you stop overwhelming it first thing in the morning. If you enjoy dried fruit, keep it minimal and never eat it alone. Always pair it with protein or fat, and never make it your breakfast. And now, we've talked about what to avoid, but the real question is, what should you do instead starting tomorrow morning to begin restoring your strength, your energy, and your performance? 8. What you need to do today. Now here's the part most men are waiting for. What do you actually do starting tomorrow morning to begin reversing this? Because avoiding the wrong foods is only half the answer. What truly matters is how you rebuild your body's signals from the moment you wake up. The biggest mistake I see after 30 years of practice is this. Men focus on quick fixes, pills, supplements, short-term solutions. But they ignore the first hour of their day, the time when hormones are most sensitive, when blood flow patterns are being set. If you start your morning with sugar, your body stays in that unstable state all day. But if you stabilize it early, everything changes. Blood flow improves. Nitric oxide production increases. Testosterone has a chance to recover. That's why your morning routine matters more than you think. Start simple. First, drink water. Rehydrate your system. Then eat something that anchors your blood sugar, eggs, avocado, or Greek yogurt. Add a small portion of low-sugar fruit if you want, like berries, but never alone. And here's one habit I want you to take seriously. After breakfast, walk for 10 to 15 minutes. Not fast, not intense, just consistent. That movement helps open your blood vessels, improves circulation, and supports hormone balance in a way no pill ever can. I remember a patient, Michael, 72. He came to me feeling defeated, said nothing was working anymore. But when we looked at his mornings, everything was off. Sugar, no movement, no structure. We rebuilt it step by step. Within weeks, he told me something I'll never forget. I feel alive again. Not just physically, but mentally, emotionally. So let me reassure you, this is not the end of your vitality. It's a turning point. Small changes, done consistently, can restore what you thought was lost. And now, let's bring everything together. Because what this really means for you, your body, and your future as a man may be more powerful than you expect. Your body after 60 is more sensitive, not weaker. Small daily choices now shape your next 1 to 5 years. Your energy, your confidence, your intimacy. What feels harmless today can quietly become decline tomorrow. But when you understand and adjust, everything shifts. You're not losing yourself. You're being given a chance to protect what still matters, while there is still time.